If you're a fan of hummus, you'll definitely want to try my sweet potato hummus recipe. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. You'll want to start by peeling your sweet potatoes and cutting them in 1-inch cube, plating them in a bowl drizzled with olive oil, and making sure they're all well covered. If you want to roast your garlic at the same time, you can chop off the top to reveal the cloves, drizzle it with olive oil, and then place it on the baking tray with your sweet potato cubes. Roast in your preheated oven, and since your oven is hot, you can make crostinis with baguette, olive oil, and flaky sea salt. Once your sweet potatoes are ready, you can place them in the bowl of a food processor with your desired amount of garlic. Then, add in the rest of the ingredients like your chickpeas, the tahini, fresh lemon juice, your spices, and a splash of cold water. Start pureeing all your ingredients together, and you can add a little bit more water to make it smoother. Make sure to scrape down the sides and continue pureeing your hummus. When ready, place in your serving bowl, and then you can garnish with some more olive oil, some roasted chickpeas, some pomegranate seeds, and fresh parsley. You can find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.